Hello everyone, so I was asked to make a video of FOMO in Forex, which means the fear of missing out. The major reason why people have fear of missing out is because they are trying to figure out everything by themselves. They don't have a mentor, they don't have anybody that they can reach out to, they don't have anybody, or they don't even have somebody that they do trade together with. They don't have anything. Maybe some of them, they are just watching YouTube videos, like watching different kinds of videos and everything. Anything that you're doing, you need to have a mentor. You need to have somebody that you can easily ask questions, maybe your friend or anybody that is above you, or maybe both of you are trying to figure out like the whole thing together. Sometimes ask yourself question, or sometimes have somebody to ask a question, because you trying to figure out something, it takes a very long time. So I'm going to advise you guys, look for a mentor or look for somebody that you can learn from. Then ask the person. If anything should happen, ask the person. The moment you keep asking, you will keep learning. So I'm going to explain to you guys the FOMO in Forex. So let's go to the teaching board. Chee. So let's say you're trying to figure out everything by yourself. You don't have a mentor, you don't have friends that you guys do trade together, you don't even have anybody to ask any question. And then you're able to identify like a structure. So with that structure, you took your first, second, and third trade and you won those trades. Then your fourth and your fifth, you lost that trade. So you're not sure anymore that if you're supposed to take your sixth trade, because you're not sure of the strategy anymore. So let me show you guys how the FOMO is in the forex market. So we have a bearish candle and a bearish candle and a bearish candle. So the next candle closes a bullish candle to form a support zone over here. So let's say we have a resistance zone over here. And then according to your strategy, you are anticipating the next candle to break the high of this bullish candle for the trade to keep going up to this resistance zone over here. So the moment the body of this candle should break the high of this bullish candle, so you decide to take an entry here, since you are anticipating the trade to keep going up to this resistance zone over here. So this trade can continue going up like this and later reject off this zone to close with a bearish candle. So since you are anticipating this trade to keep going up and this trade closed with a bearish candle, which you took a loss in this trade, so the next candle can give you a strong bullish candle, but the moment the next candle will break the high of this bearish candle to fill this week over here, you can't take any trade anymore because you are not sure of the strategy. So that means you won like 3 trades and then you lost like 3 trades. So that means you are not sure of this strategy and you don't have anybody to ask any question. You don't have a mentor. You don't even have anybody to ask any question. You are trying to figure out everything by yourself. So the next candle can give you a bullish candle that you will definitely encounter this type of move in the forex market. So the body of the next candle can continue to fill this week over here. Then the moment the body of this candle should fill this week and break the high of this bearish candle over here, you are not sure of yourself if you are supposed to take on another trade. You are not sure of yourself because of the fear of FOMO. So this trade can close with a bullish candle like this. For the next one to give you a bullish candle until it will get to this resistance zone over here. So this is an example of FOMO in the forex market. So the best way on how you'll be able to avoid this type of trade, I'm going to advise you, look for somebody. If it is a mentor or if you have partner that you guys do trade together, look for somebody that has an experience. I'm not saying that you cannot figure out everything by yourself. You can, but it will take you a very long time. It will take you a very long time. Look for somebody, meet the person. Some of them will ask you for you to pay. Pay! Forex trading is a skill. Yeah, in forex trading a very long run, because the moment you master this skill, you can teach it to your children. You can even teach it to your brothers or your sister or your uncles and your aunties. And then the moment you are teaching them, then to they are teaching the next people also. So it's better for you to invest in something. Like some of us, we do chill from January to December. I understand it's all part of life. But if you be able to sacrifice like 1 month of your chilling money or 2 months of your chilling money and look for a mentor or look for somebody that you like how the person is trading, learn from the person, because at some point there are some mistakes that you will do. The person will be able to guide you on how you will not be able to make those mistakes. Because you trying to figure out everything on your own, it will take a very long time. Let's say, for example, like this trade. All you need to do if you're trying to figure out like this trade, like this whole forex trading by yourself, this particular trade, Jonah, another setup, Jonah, another setup, Jonah, 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 Jonah. Then review, 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 review. You keep Jonah, like you keep doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it before you get used to it, which it will take a very long time. So I will advise you, find a mentor, find somebody that you like how the person is trading, find somebody, can be anybody, then approach the person, then the person will be able to explain some things for you. Just learn, 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 keep learning. Forex trading is a skill, give it time. Don't try to know everything at once, no. But with the help of you having somebody to ask questions, it will make the whole journey very easy for you. So if you guys have anything you want me to talk about, or any video or any topic or anything, you can drop it in the comment section and then I'll make a video for you guys.